What if I told you there are apps that can automatically save you over $500 without you having to think about it or do anything extra at all? I've been using these 5 apps for the past year, and they've saved me over $600 total just running in the background on autopilot mode. Today I'm showing you the exact 5 apps I use, how they work, and how much money each one has actually saved me with real proof and screenshots. These are all completely free to download and use. You don't have to pay for premium versions or subscriptions to get the savings I'm talking about. Here, the best part is these apps work automatically in the background. You set them up once, and then they just keep saving you money month after month forever. Alright, let's jump into app number 1, which is my absolute favorite money-saving app. This one alone has saved me over $100 this year already. App number 1 is Honey. This is a browser extension that automatically finds and applies coupon codes. When you're shopping online at checkout, it's completely free to use. Here's how it works. You're shopping online. You add stuff to your cart. And when you go to checkout, Honey automatically pops up and tries every coupon code available. It literally tests hundreds of coupon codes in seconds. You don't have to search for codes or type anything in. Honey does all the work for you automatically right there. If it finds a code that works, it applies it automatically and shows you how much you saved. I've seen it take $20, $30, even $50 off orders instantly. Honey works on thousands of websites: Amazon, Target, Walmart, Best Buy. Basically any major online store you can think of. I use it for everything I buy online now. Last week I was buying a laptop on Best Buy and Honey found a code that saved me $25. I wasn't even looking for a coupon, it just found it automatically. But here's the bonus feature. Honey also gives you something called Honey Gold, which is basically cashback rewards points that you earn on every purchase you make online. You accumulate these Honey Gold points, and then you can convert them into actual gift cards. Amazon gift cards, Target, Walmart, whatever store you want to use them at. This year alone, Honey has saved me $117 in direct coupon savings. Plus, I've earned about $30 in Honey Gold rewards on top of that. It works on desktop computers and also on your phone through the Honey mobile app. I have it installed on both so I never miss savings no matter where I shop. Setting it up takes literally 30 seconds. You go to the Honey website, click Add to Browser, and it installs. That's it. No complicated setup process or account creation required. Then you just shop online like you normally would. Honey sits there quietly in the background and only pops up when it finds savings for you at checkout time. Is it safe? Yes. Honey is owned by PayPal, so it's completely legitimate and secure. Over 17 million people use it. The difference between shopping without Honey versus with Honey is literally free money left on the table. Why would you pay full price when codes are available for free? Link to download Honey is in the description below this video. It's completely free. Takes 30 seconds to install and will start saving you money on your very next purchase. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is the easiest money you'll ever save. Install it right now before you forget, and thank me later when it saves you $20 tonight. Alright, moving on to app number 2, which is genius for people who drive and buy gas regularly. This app has saved me about $80 just on gas this year. App number 2 is GasBuddy. This app shows you the cheapest gas prices near you in real time and gives you cash back on every single gas purchase you make. You open the app and it shows a map with all the gas stations around you and the current price per gallon at each location. You can see which one is cheapest instantly. Gas prices can vary by 30 or 40 cents per gallon, even between stations just a few miles apart. That adds up to real money fast. If you fill up a 15-gallon tank and save 40 cents per gallon, that's $6 saved per fill-up. Do that twice a month, and you're saving over $100 per year. But here's where it gets even better. GasBuddy has a free card. It's called the Pay with GasBuddy card, giving you up to 25 cents off per gallon automatically. You link your bank account to the card for free, use it to pay at the pump, and you automatically get the discount every time. No coupons, no codes, just automatic savings. I filled up yesterday and paid $3.20 per gallon. The regular price was $3.45. 25 cents off automatically just for using the card instead of my regular debit card. This year, GasBuddy has saved me about $80 total. Between finding cheaper stations and using the Pay with GasBuddy card, the app also has navigation built in, so it can direct you to the cheapest station. You just tap Navigate. It opens directions right there in the app for you. GasBuddy is completely free to download and use. The Pay with GasBuddy card is also free, with no monthly fees or minimums. Link is in the description to download it. So we're at $297 saved so far with just these first 2 apps, and we still have 3 more. money-saving apps to cover that at even more savings. App number 3 is perfect if you buy groceries, which I'm guessing you probably do. This app gives you straight cash back on groceries you're already buying anyway. App number 3 is Ibotta. This app gives you cash back on groceries and other purchases just by scanning your receipt. It's like getting paid to buy stuff you were buying anyway. Here's how it works. You buy groceries like normal. Then you open Ibotta and scan your receipt with your phone camera. The app reads what you bought and gives you cash back automatically. Different products have different cash back amounts. Maybe 50 cents back on milk, $1 back on eggs, 75 cents on bread. It varies, but it all adds up quickly. On a typical grocery trip, I'll earn anywhere from $3 to $7 in cash back just by scanning my receipt. Takes me literally 10 seconds to scan it after I get home. The Ibotta works at basically every grocery store. Walmart, Target, Kroger, Safeway, all the major chains. Also works at pharmacies and some other retail stores too. The cash back accumulates in your Ibotta account, and once you hit $20, you can cash out. They send it to PayPal or Venmo, or you can get gift cards instead. I cash out about once a month. $20 here, $20 there, it adds up. This year I've made about $95 total from Ibotta, just scanning grocery receipts. They also have bonus offers, where certain items have higher cash back, like $2 instead of 50 cents. I always check the app before shopping to see what is bonuses. Plus, they have a referral program where you get $10 for each friend you invite who uses the app. That's free extra money just for telling people about it. One tip, you have to scan receipts within a few days of purchase. They expire if you wait too long. I scan mine as soon as I get home so I never forget and lose the cash back. Ibotta is free to download, and when you sign up with my link, you actually get a $5 welcome bonus just for downloading it. Link is in the description below. Alright, so now we're at $392 saved total, with 3 apps down. We still have 2 more apps that are going to push us over $500. App number 4 is specifically for people who have credit cards or any kind of bills that you pay monthly. This one saved me over $60 this year automatically. App number 4 is Trim. This is an app that negotiates your bills for you automatically. It looks at what you're paying and tries to get you lower rates without you doing anything. You connect your bank account securely, and Trim analyzes all your subscriptions and bills. Then it identifies where you're overpaying and negotiates with companies to lower your bills. Trim has successfully negotiated lower rates on cable bills, internet phone plans, and even credit card interest rates for millions of people. It works surprisingly well actually. But here's another huge feature. Trim also finds subscriptions you forgot about and aren't using anymore. Random apps charging you $10 a month that you completely forgot existed. It shows you all your subscriptions in one place, and you can cancel them directly through the app with one tap. No calling companies, no waiting on hold, just tap cancel and done. I found a streaming service I signed up for 2 years ago and completely forgot about. $15 a month for something I wasn't even using. Trim found it, and I canceled immediately. Trim also negotiated my internet bill down by $10 per month. That's $120 saved per year just from one successful negotiation they handled automatically. How does Trim make money? They take 25% of any savings they get you. So if they save you $100, they keep $25 and you keep $75. Even after their fee, you're still getting money you wouldn't have saved otherwise. $75 for zero effort on your part is still a great deal in my opinion here. Is it safe to connect your bank? Yes. Trim uses bank-level encryption, and they're read-only so they can't move money or make purchases. They can only view your transactions and bills. Once you set it up, Trim works completely in the background. You don't have to do anything. It monitors your bills automatically and negotiates whenever it finds opportunities to save. This year, Trim has saved me $67 after their fee. That's money back in my pocket for literally zero effort or time spent on my part doing anything at all. Trim is free to try, and you only pay their fee if they actually save you money. So there's zero risk to trying it out. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, so now we're at $459 total saved with 4 apps. One more app to go, and we'll definitely be over $500 saved for the year. App number 5 is the last one, and honestly this might be my second favorite after Honey. This app has saved me way more than I expected it to when I first downloaded it. App number 5 is Rakuten, which used to be called Ibotta. This gives you straight cash back on purchases at thousands of online stores. It's like a credit card reward but better. Here's how Rakuten works. You go to Rakuten.com or use their app, click on the store you want to shop at, and it redirects you to that store's website through their link. You shop completely normally like you always would. Add items to cart, Check out with your credit card. Nothing different at all. Rakuten tracks your purchase in the background automatically. Then Rakuten gives you a percentage of your purchase back as cash. It varies by store. Anywhere from 1% up to 15% cash back depending on the retailer. The rates change, so check before you shop to see current rates. They also have a browser extension that automatically activates when you're on a site that offers cash back. It pops up and reminds you to activate your cash back before checking out. So if I buy $200 worth of stuff at a store with 5% cash back, I automatically earn $10 that gets deposited into my Rakuten account after my purchase is confirmed. Rakuten pays you every 3 months. They send you a check in the mail or PayPal deposit with all the cash back you've earned. It's literally free money for shopping you were doing anyway. Last quarter, I got $48 from Rakuten just from my normal online shopping. Christmas shopping alone earned me like $25 in cash back this year so far. Pro tip, stack Rakuten with a cashback credit card for double rewards. Use Rakuten for the store. Cashback plus your credit card gives cashback too. Double dipping on rewards. Rakuten also has a referral program where you get $30 when a friend signs up and makes their first purchase. That's a huge bonus compared to most referral programs out there. This year, Rakuten has paid me $143 in cashback. That's money I got back for purchases I was making anyway. Literally free money for clicking one button before shopping. Welcome to our guide on mastering your finances with money-saving apps. In today's fast-paced world, managing your money effectively is more crucial than ever. Thankfully, technology offers incredible tools to help you save, track, and invest smarter. Let's dive into some of the best apps that can transform your financial habits. First up, budgeting apps. These are your financial command centers. Apps like Mint and YNAB allow you to link all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments in one place. They categorize your spending, help you set budgets, and even alert you when you're close to exceeding a limit. Mint is great for a free, comprehensive overview, while YNAB is perfect for those who want a more hands-on, zero-based budgeting approach. Next, we have coupon and deal-finding apps. Honey, Rakuten, and Ibotta are fantastic for saving money on everyday purchases. Honey automatically applies the best coupon codes at checkout. When you shop online, Rakuten gives you cash back for shopping at your favorite stores. And Ibotta offers cash back on groceries and in-store purchases. These apps turn casual shopping into smart saving. Don't forget about investment apps. For those looking to grow their wealth, apps like Acorns and Robinhood make investing accessible. Acorns rounds up your spare change and invest it into diversified portfolios. Robinhood allows commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, making it easy to start with small amounts. Remember, investing always carries risk, so do your research. Finally, debt management apps can be a lifesaver on debt. In-Debt Payoff Planner help you create a clear strategy to tackle your debts. They can show you different payoff methods, like the debt snowball or avalanche, and track your progress, keeping you motivated. Integrating these apps into your daily routine can significantly impact your financial well-being. They provide insights, automate savings, and empower you to make informed decisions. Start exploring these tools today and take the first step towards a more secure financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips.